Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make crunchy delicious puff pan. So getting your recipes ready, what you'll first of all do is to activate your yeast. I don't have an instant yeast, so this is what is available. You put the yeast in a container or in a cup and add a little bit of warm water. Cover with any cloth or napkin for 5 to 10 minutes. If you do that, it will come out this way. You guys, it will come out foaming. So once the yeast is activated, you pour the yeast in the mixture of your flour, the nutmeg, and the remaining cubes of sugar. You guys, if you like, you can use ground sugar. It's not necessary, I mean, that you should use cube sugar. I'm using cube sugar because that is what is available. So you mix gradually. Some people, if they want to make their puff, they usually use their hand, but I do not like using my hand because I don't want my hand to be messy at all. So just mix the mixture properly and it will come out sticky, like stretchy texture. Okay, if you want it more lighter, you can just add 2 cups of water, but I added just 1 cup of water, and not just ordinary water, you guys, is warm water. After adding your yeast, you should add warm water, then you taste. Once the mixture is ready, cover the flour and keep in a very warm place for 30 to 35 minutes, you guys. I have an old refrigerator. That's where I keep my flour anytime I want to fry pastries or want to bake. So I just keep it in the refrigerator. The refrigerator is warm, it's not working. So when it stays there for 35 minutes, I'll bring it out. So that time the flour will have already risen. It will have be like this. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to fry. You have to fry with your spoon, okay, not maybe a scoop or whatever. You have to fry with your spoon, normal tablespoon. Be careful, you guys, so that the hot vegetable oil won't splash on you. Once you feel that the puff is becoming brownish, you can just turn it over, and that's all, you guys. Delicious, my delicious puff pan is ready. Yummy, yummy. And that's all, you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want different type of cooking tutorial on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to see my new videos whenever I upload them. I love you. Thanks for watching.